Yo, what's going on? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new YouTube lesson. Now, today's lesson, it's basically where do you find liquidity? Now, what is liquidity? I think that's a term that's been used for quite some time. Um, Now, let's just give you guys a brief explanation, right, of why this is so important, right? Because remember, understanding liquidity and understanding where the market is magneting towards, that is basically the true source. Now, liquidity is all around the market, right? We're definitely going to explain to you where you can get it, how do you spot this, and how you can trade it with the next video. So, where do you find liquidity? Now, liquidity is a big term in sense of the Forex market, because we know the market thrives on liquidity. It moves on money, right? Now, once you hear the word liquidity, it basically speaks to you as money, pool of money, pool, liquidity. So it's money. Just get it in your head, all this money. So before we continue, guys, please drop a comment down below if you guys enjoy this type of videos, this type of content as well, so we can know we can do more of these. All right. Do subscribe also, guys, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's hop on to the lessons. Now, this is, as the title says, basically study liquidity in 5 minutes. Now, this is going to be a very short video. Not going to be too long. All right. I just want to show you guys a simple and understandable matter, how you can go upon this liquidity map, right? So where do you find liquidity? Now let's go to a brief explanation of what is liquidity in simple terms, right? I'm not going to use too much terminology, too much big words, so you guys can understand and make it as easy as possible to understand. Now, let's talk about this, right? Let's talk about this. So before we move on, I'm going to give you a moment to read this and then just visualize what's happening. So now that you basically wrote that down or just understand it a little bit, now we can dive into it, right? In simple terms, it is where the market has multiple orders, right? Big S&R levels. Now, S&R stands for support and resistance. It's usually a tricky play, as large institutions want to get in at a cheap price for buyers, an expensive price for sales. Now that's the truth, guys. It's almost like a business. Discount and premium price. All right. And that's things we're gonna teach on our YouTube channel for absolutely free. How to actually see this the discounted prices and premium prices. Now that's we're just teaching you guys the basics first, right? So please do subscribe. This is gonna be a completely free channel, 2024, like we said in our previous video. We're gonna take this to you guys for absolutely free. All right. So yeah, guys, now large institutions, they cannot just enter a trade like me and you, right? So we retail traders, they call us retail traders. Now, yes, ICT Concepts is also retail trading. Yes, smart money is also retail trading. No matter what you say, you are trading retail ways due to the fact that you're trading from home. You're not trading for a large institution. So that's a fact. So let's get over that for a minute, right? So liquidity, there's common areas you can find liquidity. So I just gave you guys a simple, brief explanation without using big words, just trying to understand what it is, right? So let's go on to the next one. So let's figure out, right? Where do I find liquidity? Now, this is the main thing. This is what you want to know. Guys, now liquidity you find on support and resistance, key levels. You'll always see relatively equal highs, relatively equal lows at a support. Now, that's basically where liquidity has a buildup. That's liquidity buildup. Now, there's a lot more. We do teach it privately, but there's a lot more on inner order blocks. Now, what is an inner order block? I'm going to show you guys examples of what an inner order block. Now, most of the times, guys, an inner order block also is a smart money trap, right? It's a smart money trap because remember, I'm going to show you guys in a trend line. Now this is just basic places where you can find it. So let's have a look. Example first. First example is a resistance level. As you guys can see, there's a relatively equal highs, right? There's relatively equal highs. Price comes there, drops down. Price comes there, drops down. Now, this is a liquidity buildup that's trying to happen here. So above these areas, there your liquidity will be. Because why? There's orders. But people are trying to buy the breakout. People are trying to sell limit. People are trying to do, there's going to be a reaction all over these points, right? Now, this happens usually by key levels. We will basically explain to you guys a little bit more of what happens at key levels and how to find these key levels. Is when market turns around a lot there. So it plays around in that area. So you'll see some type of reaction of that area. So let's go to the next one, a trend line. Now, a trend line is a perfect example of trend line liquidity. So the market keeps trending to the upside, and there's liquidity below this. Because remember, there's buyers pushing the market up. Every time it touches the trend line, it goes up. Every time it touches, it goes up. So either way, all of these liquidity needs to be taken out. So that's how the market operates. So let's go on to the next one. Now, this is an inner order block. Now, below here is a big order block, but this is an inner one. Now, the inner one is usually a smart money trap, a smart money liquidity buildup. Now, this, you can clearly see the last red candle, poof, the market shut up, right? Came back down, gave a reaction. Now, what is people doing? What is smart money doing here? Smart money is buying here. Now, people are buying here. People that trade order blocks, they trade supply and demand, they're buying here. So what is this? It's liquidity, all right? So now ask yourself this question, right? Have you ever been stopped up? No? And then market moves in your direction? I think that happened to a lot of us. Have you entered for a breakout trade, but the market comes back? Now, all this happens in result of what we call liquidity sweep or grab. Now, in this next video that's coming off this one, the next lesson, we will show you how to trade this, how to see if it's really a breakout or if it's a market structure shift, or it's basically just a liquidity grab and then a displacement. Now, guys, comment down below if you enjoy this types of videos. Guys, we are trying to keep it as simple as possible. No difficulty, nothing. We're just gonna keep it simple, sweet, easy for you to understand. Comment down below if you like this video. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss these types of videos. Click on the notification bell as well, switch it on so you get notified when we upload a video. So on to the next one, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. Hope this helped you a little bit and hope we can help you even more. All right. Check the description down below, guys. We have a free webinar on Saturday this coming week. It's absolutely free. We're going to give away some Forex courses as well. So make sure you're there and I see you there. Join our free Discord as well. See you in the next one, guys. Hope you have a wonderful one.